You want to stop filming on your phone and actually start creating real content. Sharp photos, cinematic video, something people actually stop scrolling for. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless kit promises all of that, and it even comes with a bag and a memory card. But does it actually deliver? Best price link is in the description. So what is this camera actually built for? Photography and portrait work scores a 9.2. The APS-C sensor paired with Canon's color science gives you that clean, professional look right out of the box without any heavy editing. YouTube and content creation sits at 9.0. The vari-angle touchscreen and 4K video make this a genuinely great setup for creators. But professional studio work only scores a 5.8. If you're shooting commercial campaigns or demanding client work, this sensor and kit lens will hit a ceiling fast. Daily performance now. The dual-pixel AF2 autofocus is the star here at 9.5. Face tracking, eye tracking, subject tracking. It locks on and almost never loses focus during video. That alone makes this camera worth serious consideration for any creator. But battery life is an honest 6.5. You're getting around 300 shots or roughly 90 minutes of video before you need to charge. Always carry a spare battery on shoot days. Low light comes in at 7.0, decent, but not class-leading. Images get noisy above ISO 3200. User experience. The vari-angle touchscreen scores a 9.3. Flip it out, face it toward you, and you have a perfect selfie shooting setup for vlogs. The body is compact and lightweight at 9.1, genuinely easy to carry all day. Beginner-friendly controls hit 9.0. because Canon's menu system is one of the most intuitive in the industry. The big weakness here is no and body stabilization. That score is only a 5.0. You are relying entirely on the lens or digital stabilization for smooth video, so handheld walking shots can look shaky without a gimbal. Who is this actually for? Beginner photographers score a 9.8. This is one of the best first series cameras you can buy right now. YouTube and content creators at 9.5, the flip screen and autofocus make it ideal. Students and hobbyists at 9.4. Travel bloggers score 8.6 because the compact size is a real advantage. But professional photographers only score 5.2. At that level, you need a full frame body with better dynamic range and stabilization. Final verdict. Autofocus is class-leading at 9.5. Photo and video quality are excellent at 8.6. The real weaknesses are battery life and the lack of in-body stabilization, both sitting around 5.8. You will feel those on longer shooting days. But the kit value is a 9.0 because you are getting the camera, a shoulder bag, and a 64 gigabytes memory card all in one box. Overall real use rating is 8.7 out of 10. If you are a beginner or a content creator ready to upgrade from your phone, the Canon EOS R50 kit is one of the smartest buys you can make right now. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.